Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Hope you're all doing well. Hope your Sunday is great. Today is the first installment for the Feel of Vintage 2021 collaboration. There are 8 of us who will be sharing our projects with you, and our intention is to appreciate the vintage look and to give the items a makeover so that we can use them, and most importantly, just to have fun crafting. So I hope that you support our collaboration. I will provide the link of the 7 beautiful and talented crafters in my description. They are also going to upload their videos at different times, so please also watch their videos. So my project today is a photo box. This photo box is with me for 22 years now, and I remember exactly when I got this box. This is not an expensive photo box, but I kept it all these years because it has a sentimental value. I really use this to store my old photos, and it is just fine as it is, but I decided to give this a makeover, lighten the color, and also add some images and just give this a new look. This side is missing the acetate, and then this is the back. What I will do here is to use whatever paint I have. I am not buying any more material to complete this project. And for the images, I plan to use a page from my digital kit. I also would like to give this a vintage or shabby look. And once this is done, this will stay in my craft room. I really like this color though, but because I've had this for 22 years, I think I am ready to really change the color into maybe pink or blue, whatever color I already have. So I removed the hardware and this is ready to be painted. I will sand this a little bit, and then I will not be using this acetate anymore because I don't have extra. And because I do not have any chalk paint here, I am going to use acrylic paint, and I will use this acrylic gesso to prime, and I will do 2 coats here because I applied it very thinly. And so this is the only paint I have. I will also use the wood finish, so it's going to be pink and the wood finish, and I will use this varnish. Okay, so all is done, and this is my new photo box. And this image is from the digital kit that I will be launching very soon in my Etsy shop. And I gave the box a distressed look also. So this is kind of shabby look, but I know that this material is still vintage. The paper were Mod Podged, so it is staying there even if I don't have the acetate. And so this is now ready for use. for the inside, I only applied one coat, and I may go back and apply another coat, but I am on a rush to finish this, so I will do that next time. So this is my new photo box. It still has the old beaten look, but I am quite okay with the result. It is not perfect, but this is the look that I was aiming for, and I enjoyed completing this project. Plus, I was able to use a page from my new digital kit, and so I am going to show you some of the pages. This is a new journal kit, and I am only missing some tags and sentiments, and then they will be ready for listing. So just to show you some of the pages, and I also have the Chinese proverbs here as part of the kit. I actually wanted to include the Chinese proverbs, but the size is just not quite right because this is portrait and the window is landscape. So I used just one page from this kit. And there were supposed to be, I believe, 8 journal pages in this kit, but these are the only pages that I was able to print. So what I used was this page, and so that's the butterfly, and then that's the other side, and this is the other side. So I only used one page. So there you go, friends. This is my first video, the first installment for the Feel of Vintage 2021. And I hope you like this. Let me know what you think. And please also support the other collaborators. They are also excited to share their projects, and their links will be in my description. The next installment will be March 21st, also Sunday. And friends, if you are also into vintage and you would like to play along, please use hashtag the Feel of Vintage 2021 so we can add you in the description. And if you like what you see and you like to see more, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family. I am aiming to hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of 2021, so I hope that you can help me with that. So there you go, everyone. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.